Alright guys, so in the last video we just posted, it was on the Shieldbox. Shieldbox also owns another subscription company called Medicbox. So same kind of concept, except for this one's quite unique, and I really like the idea that they did with the Medicbox. So the way this is set up is that it comes in different phases, alright, or tiers we'll say. Alright, so if you take a look here at the bottom, we have a tier 1, and then you have phase 1, 2, 3. And then phase 2, 1, 2, 3. And by the time you do the 3 different boxes, you'll have, the first one's a duty IFAK. Your second one is going to be a vehicle kit. Your third one's going to be an EDC. And then your fourth one is like a home kit. So if you do a full 12-month, 1-year subscription, you're getting solid first aid kits to kind of set up a variety of different options. So over the course of 1 year, you're going to have a solid loadout of first aid kit. So this may not be a full build out of, say, an IFAK. It's going to be the start point. So then you do month 2, month 3, you have your whole full duty IFAK. So we're just going to get into that. So one of the first items that you're going to get is going to be your actual MOLLE pouch. Now this is a good size pouch, has the full Velcro on the front, has the webbing on the back for the MOLLE setup, solid zippers, can run all the way onto the side, and then you have all of the extra organizers to put your actual IFAK inside there. Alright, so pretty solid IFAK. Then you have, comes with 2 chest seals. Alright, so chest seals are very useful, especially in a potential for a lung puncture or being shot. We were trained on using chest seals in the military. Get shot in the lung, you want to cover that up so that you can still take in oxygen, but you would have to burp the valve so that it would still be able to let the buildup out. This kind of setup is designed to kind of do that work for you. So that comes with 2 chest seals. You also have the tried and true, I believe this is the Israeli bandage. Everybody should have Israeli bandages. And it's got the good solid absorbent pad with a full wrap all the way around it. I mean, everybody has these, tons of videos on them, always useful to have them. And then this is a hemostatic dressing. So this is kind of like a stop the bleed, but you can really put some pressure on that, and another good item to have in your kit. Now, the bonus item that they put in with this kit, because that's the start of phase 1. But when you start the subscription with them, they send this ridiculous bonus item. And I think the phase 1 kit, I feel like this is probably just about worth the price of the phase 1 first box as this. So this is a SOG lightweight foldable combat, and these are called Parashears multi-tool. Alright, so I'd seen somebody else checking this out, so I was already excited about this item. All the first aid kit is awesome to have, but these shears look to be pretty sweet. So the shears themselves are very solid construction for a good pair of shears, but then they're also able to fold and be compact, so it's easy to store. Has a nice belt clip if you wanted to just put them into your pocket. It also has a multi-tool function in that you have a belt cutter, and then there are multiple other little tools. You have some little emergency tweezers, and then let's see, over here is all your other attachments. Got to hit this unlock. I'm gonna have to play with it, figure it all out. We have a screwdriver, can opener, kind of a serrated blade. We have a awl and a Phillips head on that side. And then on the other side, there are a few more tools, but I don't have fingernails to get them out. Oh no, that was the other blade. So that other side just has the seatbelt cutter and the tweezers. which I already had up. Now I can't go. All right. So a good solid multi-tool kit, as well as being a good cutting shears and collapsing completely. And it comes with this pouch to store them in that is also MOLLE as well. So that's a pretty sweet set of shears there. Better than anything that I owned or have used. So anyway, I really like the outline or the setup, the idea and the Medicbox is that, you know, say if you know that you want a knife hack, they're going to start you with the first phase, and over 3 months you're going to have a full kit. So that also comes with this cool little pouch or patch if you want to throw it on your pouch to just signify that's kind of where it's at. It's obviously marketing there, but yeah, at least you know it's a first aid kit as well. So if you guys are interested in more first aid kit and you want to stock up, I feel like this is a pretty cool way to do it. You know, over the course of a year, you're going to have multiple kits set up for everything that you may need. So if you're interested, link will be in the description box. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.